Dustin, where are your pants? Where are your pants? Just a minute. What are you doing? You gonna play darts? Duster do, where's your pants?
Karen do, come over and hold the door, please.
I'm on video. Dustin. Dustin. Where are your pants? Say pants on.
Pants on the floor. Or pants on the ground.
Pants on the ground. Pants on the ground. Everybody's got their pants on the ground. We are in the middle of making the den into a playroom, so we're priming all the doors. Then we've got Cooper eating a stick, which is a huge help, making a mess. And then we'll take you up to the den / playroom. Here's what we've got going so far. And these shells will be put back up into there. And the doors will be green. And we're waiting for some Dr. Seuss stuff to come in. We'll report back later when it's all done.